Hey guys, so it has been a while. I just kind of quickly wanted to come on here and make a video just kind of explaining my absence on YouTube because I have been gone for quite a while. I wish I could say I had a good, reasonable excuse, but I really don't. I just kind of didn't have the motivation or the passion at the time to continue doing YouTube. Thinking of filming videos, it kind of just felt more of like a chore than something that I was passionate and wanting to do. And when it comes to filming videos, I don't feel like that's how I should feel. So I decided to kind of just step back and give myself some time and see where that took me, whether I decided I did not want to do YouTube anymore or if I just needed a break and wanted to continue. And after a while, I just finally found that passion again. And I don't really know what sparked it, but just recently I've had so much passion, so much motivation, so much excitement with makeup and playing around with makeup, creating makeup looks, and wanting to film videos, to be honest. I've been wanting to film for over a week now, and I've just had this firing urge inside of me to film a video, which I actually finally did last night, and I filmed a kind of get ready with me video, and it was fun. I enjoyed it, and it's been a while since I felt like that, not only with filming videos but just in general. Even in my everyday life, I've just lacked motivation to create something new with makeup and play with makeup. I've just been doing the absolute bare minimum every day. Even today, my makeup's super basic. This is kind of an everyday look for me, just as simple as I can be. I finally have found that passion again, and I'm eager and excited to film and play with makeup and just be back, honestly. So yeah, I took a bit of a break, but I think it was much needed. I've been doing YouTube for a couple years now, and I think where I lost the passion and the motivation is just kind of seeing how little progress my channel has been making. It's very discouraging, to be honest. I'm definitely partially to blame for it because I think if I was more consistent on YouTube, I would probably be in a bit of a different place. Ever since I started YouTube, I've been very inconsistent. There will be times where I'll post once every week, and then there's times where I post once every month, and then there will be times where I don't post in months. So I've definitely been very inconsistent. YouTube is hard. It's honestly a lot harder, and it's a lot more work than an outsider understands. When I used to, before I ever started a YouTube channel, when I would just watch people's YouTube videos, I would be like, oh, this is so easy, it's such an easy job. And now that I do it, I've realized how much work it is. Filming videos takes hours to do, editing videos takes hours to do, and on top of that, I'm working 5 days a week, and I also need to make time for other people in my life. So it's just it's a hard trying to balance everything, and it just becomes really draining. But I'm just gonna try my best to push through. I really want a better outcome for my channel, and I want it to go in a much different direction than it is right now. So I'm really gonna try my best this time to be consistent and put in the effort. Right now I'm gonna stick to probably uploading once a week because realistically I think that's all I can manage. I'm gonna really just try to be consistent this time. I think that's my biggest problem. I'm still going to continue filming the videos that I want to film because those are obviously the videos that I enjoy making. But if you guys have any video requests that you want to see from me, let me know. It would really help me out. Thank you to everyone who has stayed subscribed to my channel, and it will continue to support me from here on. I'm going to try to be a better YouTuber for you guys. I just wanted to make a short explanation of where I've been instead of just kind of coming back with a video. So thank you guys again, and I will see you in a new video very soon.